Welcome at Octopus. This is our video tutorial for refilling Brother LC223, 225, 227, 229. We demonstrate the refill procedure by refilling a magenta LC233 cartridge. The tool that you see in that video is made in Germany and it is available at Octopus. This tool is working with the so-called vacuum method. It's using the existing air port on the cartridge to refill the cartridge. It is very clean, you don't have to do any drilling. To make that tool fit into the air port on the cartridge is necessary to remove the front cap of the outer housing. Actually, it's quite easy to remove that front cap and we're going to demonstrate you the necessary steps. There are two openings in the front cap, and in each of those openings there's a little plastic hook that secures the front cap on the cartridge. You can use a little screwdriver to press those plastic hooks towards the rear end of the cartridge and the front cap will come loose. After that you can slide off the front cap easily. Now you can see the inner ink tank clearly. The sides of that tank are covered. They are sealed with plastic foil. Please make sure that you do not any damages to that foils. The round tip of our refill tool fits into the round air port on the cartridge. When you press the refill tool into the air port, the tool opens the valve inside that air port. Okay, now we would like to demonstrate the actual refill procedure. We have taken 6 milliliters of high quality Octopus Fluids ink into our refill syringe and mounted the refill tool on the syringe. Place the empty cartridge into the palm of your hand. This way you can use the handles of the refill tool to press the round tip into the air port tightly. For the vacuum refill method, it's really important that the air port is sealed airtight by the refill tool. The idea of the demonstrated refill method is to create a negative pressure inside the cartridge and use that negative pressure to get the refill ink into the cartridge. Now you can pull up the plunger of the syringe and you will see that there are air bubbles arising through the refill ink in the syringe. This air is coming out of the cartridge. In the upper position you can let the plunger go. It's not necessary that you push. The plunger will slide back into the syringe by itself as the negative pressure inside the cartridge is sucking in the refill ink out of the syringe into the inner ink tank. Please repeat the whole process a couple of times. That means pull up the plunger and let it go from the upper position to get the whole amount of refill ink into your cartridge. As you can see, we are adjusting the position of the cartridge a couple of times. This supports that the refill ink is flowing in each chamber of the cartridge. As you can see, our refill syringe is empty. We have filled 6 milliliters of refill ink into that LC223. What's left to do is to set back the front cap on the cartridge. Press the front cap on the cartridge and you will hear clear clicking sounds when it snaps into its final place. We have demonstrated the refill procedure on a LC223. The same procedure can be applied to the cartridges LC225, 227 and 229. There's one remark we would like to make at the end that's related to the bigger ink quantities. For example, those 50 milliliters for LC229, split those amounts to more than one filling of the refill syringe. Thank you very much for your time. We hope you like our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our Octopus video channel, then you will be informed about all the latest news related to those cartridge models.